Assalamualaikum. My name is Najla Shazwina. We are from Group 2, would like to present Annuity Coca-Cola.
My name is Anis Nadia and I would like to present about what is annuity. Annuity is an insurance contract that financial institutions sell with the goal of paying out invest money as a fixed income stream in the future. Annuity is bought or invested by investors using lump sum payment or monthly premium. A future stream of payment is issued by the holding institution. Okay, why we use annuity? Generally used for retirement planning, annuities are intended to provide people with a constant cash flow during their retirement years and to elevate their fear of outliving their assets. Next is one stable guaranteed retirement income. This financial product is not recommended for younger people or those who require liquidity. So in doing this, there are two stages of annuity contract. First of all is accumulation stage, the period where you save and potentially grow your retirement funds while building the cash value of your annuity. Next is ends at the onset of the distribution stage, when you are ready to begin withdrawing funds and the process of converting your annuity into regular payments for retirement.
Next is types of annuity. We have 4. First, we have immediate annuities, the option lifetime guarantee income. Second, begin immediately after lump sum deposit. Payment annuity begins paying immediately. Second, we have deferred annuities, the tax deferred options. Deferred income annuities do not start paying out until after the initial investment has been made. Third, we have fixed annuities, the lower risk options, and regularly recurring payments are made to the annuitant. And lastly, we have variable annuities. The proportionally highest upside benefits options allow the owner to receive larger future payments, benefits the fund strong returns while providing less stable cash flow than a fixed annuity. So this is Coca-Cola Company background. The Coca-Cola Company produced Coca-Cola as Coke, known as carbonated drinks. Created by John Steve Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia, Asia Greek scandal helped Coca-Cola achieve its dominance of the world soft drink through 20th and 21st centuries. Two of the beverage's original ingredients, Coca-Cola, is known as leaves and cola nuts.
Next program that are provided by Coca-Cola is Coca-Cola Credit Union Educational Loans. Borrowers should be students at institutions that provide degrees. Students must be a United States citizen, permanent resident, or a non-citizen borrower with the proper USCIS papers. Additionally, eligible are US citizens and permanent residents who are enrolled in approved study abroad programs, and students must be enrolled in degree programs that is eligible for the dental school loan, law school loan, MBA loan, or medical school loan.
The next one is problem description. Clara took a loan for $20,000 USD from Credit Union Coca-Cola that charged 4.5% interest per annum. The loans need to be finished over 15 years by monthly installments. So the first question is, what is the amount of the period payment? The second question is, what is the future value of annuity? The third question is, what is the interest earned? The fourth question is, if Clara missed few payments than scheduled, what will happen? And for the fifth question is, if payments done earlier than scheduled.
So for the data that we've collected for present values, these are the formula that we are going to use. A for present value of annuity, R is periodic payment, I is K over M, and M times T, and I is interest amount. Next, the data that we've collected for future values, and we are going to use this formula as future value of annuity, R periodic payment, I K over M, and M times T, and I interest amount.
Okay, so for calculation predict payment, A is for present values annuity. We have 20,000 USD. So for K, we have 4.5% or 0.045. For month, we have 12 months. And for years, we have 15 years. So to find I, we have K over M, which we got 3 over 800. And to find N, we have MT, which is we got 180. So for the calculation, 20,000 USD equals to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus 3 bracket minus 180 over 3 over hundreds. And we got predict payment. We have $152.99 or $153. For the calculation future value of annuity, we have predict payment. We have $153. So K is the same, which is we got 4.5% or 0.045. For L, also the same, 12 months, and years also the same, which is 15 years. To find I, it's also the same. We got 3 over hundreds, and to find N, we have 180. So for the calculation, we have S equals to $153 bracket 1 plus 3 over hundreds bracket 180 minus 1 over 3 3 over hundreds. So for S, we got 39 and $231.44.
So for the interest earned, the first one is for present values. So we use the interest amount formula in present values, which is I equals to R bracket N minus A, which is periodic payment bracket N minus present values annuity. So the result we will get 7,540. So for future values, we use interest earned formula in future values, which is interest earned equals to future values annuity minus periodic payment bracket N. So the result we will get 11,691.44 cents. So the next one is the missed payment. Clara missed the first 5 monthly payments. How much should she pay on the 6th installment? So we need to find the S. So the S is the unpaid and N is the paid amount. So we replace the N with 6 because she needs to pay on the 6th installment. So we use present values formula and we just add the data that we have, but we need to replace the N with 6. So the result is 926.65 cents. So the next one is early payment or pay off loan immediately. Immediately after paying for 14 years, Clara wanted to settle her full loan. So we need to find N unpaid. So in order to find N unpaid, it is equal to N total minus N paid. And N paid equals to MT paid. So we take N 180 minus N 168, which is 168 is the 14 years that Clara have paid. So Clara only have 12 months that he need to pay. So we use present values formula and we just replace the N with 12. So the result is 1,792.02 cents. So this is the amortization schedule, which is we just need to put the data in the amortization schedule, which is the present value is $20,000, the interest rate is 0.045, the compounded monthly is 12, and years is 15 years. So this is an example of amortization schedule until period 10.
The conclusion is having an annuity gives holders access to a stream of payments that could be due soon or in the future. Annuities offer a solution for people who are having trouble paying off student debts, depending on when payments are due, and other options are available for handling retirement costs. And third, to calculate an amount's present and future values, use the annuity formula. Lastly, an annuity's payments represent the amortizations of a one-time payment. As a result, even though the total amount paid in the installments remains the same, the components inside are changing. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.